Gaeilge Weekly is brought to you by Learn Irish Online. For way more shows, videos, podcasts and courses for learning the language, head to learnirishonline.com or patreon.com/learnirishonline. Hello, duets, buenos dias, buongiorno. Conna sa támuid an teachtain seo fáilte ais faoi Gaeilge Weekly agus nach bhfuil sé go chiintach fad a bheith arás ag labhairt libh an teachtain scáte go háirithe, especially mar gheall nach rá mé in an podcréile a dhéanamh an teachtain scáte. Tá brónar nach rá mé in an agrán nó episód a dhéanamh an teachtain scáte ach bhí me ro imithe. Céad fan géad, my voice was gone 100%. Je gná bí me tafadú ar an lún agus ar an mórt mar hampla nio mods in Jaloon atá hAon an carhrú is fithe me in the sauna today, for example, Monday morning, 24th of November. Agus an lá seo an teachtain scáte ní rá mé an few like foom bit I wasn't able to make a sound at all. The slide on arm agus fós tá slide on arm, so I hadn't still have really a bit of a cold. Mála sin bhí mé ceolcurm tribute bands le Oasis on Saturn. Mála sin cool Troy Parish, no coolana Troy Parish, Troy Parts goal or goals even against Hungary agus cúpla leis idia sin agus rúsime mads an Jaloon agus bhí an go thomláin imithe. Agus dúirt duine éigean lom freisin Beidir go muininn sé le a bheith I gcónaí ag déanú podcréiltaí. Maybe it has something to do with kind of always doing podcasts as well, mar nuair atá tú ag labhairt ar podcréile agus Beidir ní chluiseann sibh é seo ar an tafadú. You might not hear this on the recording and just in general across podcasts and people talking into a microphone or on TVs. Daoine ag crailú, people broadcasting, let's say, for lack of a better word. Go míonart a bheith labhairt bhád níos óirde agus le bhád níos mó fuinneamh. So seo sampla. This is an example. If I was speaking to you, dá méach mé ag labhairt leat I míoláin mar hampla. Bíoláin ciún. No, rachiman smach le haid cafe agus tá muide ag labhairt. Bheith mé ag labhairt mar seo. I'd be speaking like this. I wouldn't be speaking as loud as I was before. Ní bheith mé ag labhairt mar bhí mé rive. And actually, if you go back to the early versions of Gaeilge Weekly, má haon tú rash chuig na hagránaí níos luatha de Gaeilge Weekly, tá mé ag labhairt mar seo. Ach, fudcréile, caiid tú bheith ag labhairt le a bhád níos mó fuinneamh, yeah, she's speaking with a lot more energy, agus a bhád níos mó beocht, a lot more life is tócha. Gach agrán agus freisin 3 agrán na 9 seachtaine, 3 episodes per week. Rudí eile ar Instagram agus ar Patreon agus bíon arm a lán labhairt agus a lán labhairt orda a dhéanamh. A lot of kind of loud speaking a dhéanamh le haghaidh. My first Learn Irish Online sin my first law, and I'm sure it's my full-time job, Learn Irish Online. So dúirt den ag lom Beidir bhí sé ag buinseach le sin freisin, maybe it had something to do with that as well. Níl mé haon céad fan géad cínse. Ach, an rud is tábhachtaí ná go bhfuil mé arás, go bhfuil mo ro arás níos mó na sin, agus finally in yo tá an Mailbag edition agin. Dús, tá mé blown away in áire, blown away as an méid rifust agus an méid seachtarachtaí a tháinig isteach. Blown away by the amount of emails, the amount of messages that have come in. Tá mé cóbuíoch. Cóh, so grateful as gach duine. A bheith éisteacht gach seachtain ach freisin go háirithe na daoine a thóg an tám chun scríomh isteach, a thóg an tám chun cúpla focail ará, nó cúpla líana, nó cúpla alt scríomh to write a few lines or a few paragraphs even, maidir le were Cuid tahi le Gaeilge Weekly in terms of your experience with Gaeilge Weekly, why you listen, where you listen, how you listen, cin fá, cin áit, agus conas a bhíonn sibh ag éisteacht leis an show. We've had so many replies, tá méid sin freagrach that we've had to split the Mailbag edition into 2 different weeks. So, an teachtain seo, ba mé ag léamh amach ceapan gúil gach riomhas agam an seo. I think I've every message or email, but this week I'll be reading out everything that came from the islands of Ireland. So gach rud a tháinig ó Oileán na hÉireann. Now, ar nói, bhí Oileán éireannig timpeall an domhan. Ag seol rudí isteach, so tá daoine as an Austráil, daoine as Canada, well, ní as Canadach, daoine ina gcónaí Canada freisin, daoine nach bhfuil in éireannach ar curb people who aren't Irish at all. A few people around the world who have Irish connections or Irish interests. But today, in yo, tá méid léamh amach gach teachtarach nó gach riomhas a tháinig ó Oileán na hÉireann that came from the islands of Ireland. So if you sent in something and you're living in Australia, Canada, the US, UK, má tá tú iad a chónaí san Austráil, Canada, sna Stát Déanta, sa Ríoch Déanta, ba méid léamh amach the riomhas le cúna J, hopefully, an tseachtain se thugan next week. So next week is the Around the World edition. This week is the Irish edition. But I don't mean from Irish people. Ní méid leir trí ó Héireannig, tá méid leir trí ó era ó thaobh tarólaíochta in terms of geography, actually ones that came from Ireland. And we have plenty to get through. So let's get straight into it. Agus, tá mé in iireachta dhéanamh, well, tá iireacht déanta agam, hana féin, so I've already tried to send a reply to everyone. I'm sorry if I didn't send a reply to you. Ceapam gur cheol mé riomhas nó rud ag an rásraigh beag nach gach duine a cheol rud ag an isteach. Más rud é nóir cheol mé rud ag an tar brónarm, más rud é gnéanam dearmid the riomhas a léamh amach, let a hell, bí a jagwalum riv on international lishin on tseachtain se thugan. So please, if you sent in something from Ireland and I forgot to read it out, give me a text or a message before next Monday or Tuesday when I do the Around the World edition, and I'll read it out then. It's been so tough with them coming in, some on Patreon, some on Instagram, some on email. But anyway, I think I have it all here. Ceapan gúil sé agam an seo. So let's start off with Greta in Dublin, in Mailbag. Gaeilge Weekly, gur míle maigad as na podchrailtaí a dhéanamh gach seachtain, mar thosaigh mé an Gaeilge ólam arís cúpla bliain ó shin. Bí mé éisteacht le cupán caifé gach Céadaoin rith mar an Gaeilge, nó orintha bí mé éisteacht nar bhí mé ag siúil leis an madra sa forc. Rugadh I Mailbag mé, agus tá mé I mo chónaí an seo freisin. Is íbhalm na teangacha cosúil leis an Gaeilge, an Spáinis, an Rankíis, agus an Itális, gur mí na mad, agus tóga bug é Greta I Mailbag. Greta gur míle mágad. Agus tá mothúcán agam I have a feeling go mbeidh mé gur míle mágad, míle buíochas leat a lá orintha I ré an fudcréile seo mar ná ire really tá mé an bhuaich as gach duine a cheol rud éigean isteach agus tá mé ináis rud amháin a fiochú amach as gach riomhas an rud an sin agus bhí mé ag labhairt faoi seo roimhe ar an budcréile rud éigean gur íbhanlam faoin riomhas sin ná caitheann a bhíonn tú ag éisteacht, so dúirt tú Greta go mbíonn tú ag éisteacht beidir rih do an Gaeilge le cupán caifé gach Céadaoin nó nar bhíonn tú le do bhádra sa forc agus mis an seo is sa bhil. Tá mé beagnaí dí cheangail seo ó gachrad madra le Gaeilge Weekly. That might sound strange, that might sound a bit odd, beidir gohfuil cumas aisteach ar sin, but I'm a bit disconnected from everything in terms of Gaeilge Weekly. Even though I'm the host and I'm the guy who makes it, cé gur misha an tóstach agus misha an duine a bhína crothú an podcréile. Because I record it here, I send it out, and I don't think about it again the rest of the week. Really. You know, déanam an podcréile, seola mé, agus an sin ní bhíonn mé ag smaoine faoin podcréile an chuid sealatain seachtain. And I don't kind of bump into people or meet people and say, oh, I listen, or whatever. Ní bhíonn mé really bulla daoine a bhína gra, oh, bíonn misha ag éisteach leis an podcréile agus a rilla. So to hear kind of the actual real life connection to it, like how it fits into people's lives, agus an chuí a bhíonn sé ghlacu póir to sail duine éigean, tá sé sin go chinnta chun chlostal agus yeah, that it's actually an actual part of your daily life or your weekly life. Gúil sé actually mar chuid de the hail léithúil no the hail seachtanúil, Greta in this case, but it could be anyone as well in terms of where they listen, how they listen. Tá sé sin cool. Agus ceann sin na cúiseanna, maybe a bit selfishly, but one of the reasons ceann sin na cúiseanna around mé géirí on Mailbag edition a dhéanam. Greta gur míle mágad, tá lán cín ó bhaile clia, so ceann eile ó bhlá clia an seo ó Anna. Liam, mar ragra de cheist, seo mar scéal. Thosaigh mé ag labhairt Gaeilge le mo ghearr iníonacha, so with my granddaughters, óam go ham nuair thosaigh siad scoil. Os rud é go raibh mórán Gaeilge caiilte agam ó mo léithanta scoil a héine, tá mé seachtó cathair, fair play witch, an chlóirí mé ar an Gaeilge do chuoine fásta le múnseir iontaach dar bhanam Honor Kleins. Is hí an múnseir is fearr dhaoine. Been scúine gach bliain chun chlóriú lena rangnas. There's a big queue every year to kind of register or sign up for her classes. Tháinig mé ar Gaeilge Weekly ar YouTube, cúpla mé ó hin, agus ceap mé gur acmhainn ionta go bhí ann. I thought that it was a brilliant resource. Anne's words, I'm fine. Chun éisteacht agus tomú sa Gaeilge. Carraí sé lom muoine níos mó a bheith agam le mo chuid Gaeilge. Tá mo ghearr iníonacha ina néagróinis, so my granddaughters are now teenagers, agus thosaigh mé ag seanam Gaeilge Weekly agus éisteacht lo ar doras óháile ón scoil. Is brá lo é. Carraíonn sé go mór lo lena gcuid Gaeilge agus thar aon rud eile more than anything else, úscail sé grá don Gaeilge ontu. Mar sin míle buchas leat Liam is lucht leanúna dílis muid. Therefore, a big thank you, Liam. We're a very loyal fan base, I guess you would translate that as. Agus tá Gaeilge iontaach, Gaeilge scríofa iontaach ar aonas ag an is brilliant Irish or very good written Irish. Anyway, agus gur míle mágat as an riomhos sin a cheolalas teach. An agus bhí sé sin ceann sin a riomhfost is fearlam, ceapan go thuirthe tus ag labhairt faoi de ghearr iníonacha. I think that's one of my favourite emails, especially you speaking about your granddaughters playing it in the car. And such a nice image, and that you pass that on to them. Not in terms of passing on Gaeilge Weekly, ni make large for, just ag torch Gaeilge Weekly done the chéad glúin eile to the next generation, but in terms of passing on the Irish language in general, and that, as you say yourself, grád an Gaeilge, that love for the language. And that, even if you have a low level or a great level in the language, it's more so about that love, that grá, dunsanga agus an sim sin a bheith agat don Gaeilge, to have that interest for the Irish language. So míle buchas go háirithe sin as iireachta dhéanamh leis an Gaeilge for making an effort with the Irish, and but as well as that for passing it on to your grandchildren. Such a beautiful image I have in my head of you three. I presume it's two granddaughters. I'm sorry if it's not. Brother Mona will say, ach an trorgov, no cahargov, sa chóir le céile, ag éisteacht le Gaeilge Weekly, agus is more an honor a domsa. It's a big honor for me, agus is more an privilege a domsa a bheith mar chuid bheog de sin. So míle buchas an sin I moille clia. Ceann an speisialta an seo freisin, mar for my heart there cuaigh fust is fithe. I got about 25 emails all together from different places in Ireland and around the world, in Éireann agus timpeall an domhain. Ceapam ní rá a ceann amháin agam ó chuna nachhfuil ina gaintre dúchas den mBéarla. I think I only got one from person who's not a native English speaker. Agus sin ó Sergio, mar German in Éireann, I Bort Larga. So is as an Spáin, it's Sergio agus bhí actually buganín says back and forth agin bhím ag labhairt I gúplaí fust, nor gúplaí fust an teachtain seo. Madra le mo chuid taithí sa Spáin agus taithí Sergio an sin in Éireann agus ag gcóir buganín goil says opposite situations agin, tá mise sa Spáin, tá sesin in Éireann agus tá Gaeilge iontacha agus is mór an spragu ceapan le lán Éireannig goil Spáineach, and I don't mean this in a condescending way, but that a Spanish person come and learn Irish to such a good level. It's big inspiration, almost leaves us Irish with no excuses, not just to learn Irish, but maybe to learn other European languages as well, and to try and get better at that. Agus chun iireachta dhéanamh airí níos fearr le sin. Ach, a Liam a chara, os rud é gur iar tú airín labhairt faoine darthaí leis an podcastile. Now this is written more so in Munster Irish, so it might be a bit tricky for me to read out because I'm not used to reading out Munster Irish. Os rud é gur iar tú airín labhairt faoine darthaí leis an podcastile, seo I scéal. Háníos ar an podcastile cheans I chuirdach ar Spotify, hatan sé lom go raibh dhá level deacreachta ann, trí cín inis. D'éist mé leis an Gnáthleagan níos simplí agus hatan an chuí a raibh sé agríthe le míonnaithe mBéarla óam go ham. An sin I glór aigen luí tú go raibh tú I de chónaí sa Spáin. Bhí iontas arm mar táimse sa stáid os chuine, so I'm in the opposite situation. Is Báinnig mise atá in na chónaí in Éireann chun é Fort Larga, so down in Waterford. As sin amach éistem leis gach seachtain, agus is matlam arachdal faoi de haithí sa Spáin. Caithí tú cuairt se thuirt ar ma hir Asturias, ceann sin ceantar cheilteacha sa Spáin, so you have to visit my kind of tierra, as they say here, my country or my land, Asturias, one of the Celtic areas of Spain. And I have, which I said to Sergio, but only briefly. I don't want to go there much more, and I do have plans to go there and Galicia in 2026. Tá plan na agam hon níos mó ama a chahuan sin agus I Galicia I gábhíle is a fé sé. Éiste magóni leis an leagan níos simplí, agus an sin má bhraham muíach, so if I feel confident, éistem leis an Gnáthleagan. Tá sé anna charach dumsa, ord ar a liam. It's very useful for me. Top man, Liam, I guess we translate that as, or as they'd say in England anyway, top man. Liam Berbu agus Bannacht Sergio. Sergio, gurmíle mágat is tóca go mbeidh tú ag éisteacht leis an leagan seo. So gurmíle mágat a sin bhí sé gcomhpháirtíocht labhairt beagaí leat le cúpla riomhast an teachtain se gach agus mar dúirt méid is mór an spragu hAon. You're a big, I think, inspiration, motivation for people, Irish people, and also people who don't have English or aren't from Ireland or don't have English as their first language, to learn something like Irish. Hon rudding sulas an Gaeilge Olaman. You mentioned you're moving to the Gaeltacht soon. Dúirt tú gohfuil tú bogu gotí an Gaeltacht galua, so gnáirí leat leis sin cínse go mbeidh sé go chiintach le haghaidh do chuid Gaeilge. So, guys, very quick interruption to the podcast. Sorry, I know it's the first time I've done an interruption or an ad for a few months now, and it is something that's important and it's applicable to you and could hopefully help you guys out in terms of your own stuff or possibly even your Christmas shopping. That is that this week, the Black Friday sale at leanúint, the only sale we do all year, is on from Thursday, November 27th until Sunday, November 30th. It is 50% off all Learn Irish Online courses over on the website learnirishonline.com. It is that simple. It is the only sale we do during the year. They will not be this price again until the end of next November in 2026. So if you're looking for something for yourself or for a loved one for Christmas or a birthday perhaps, then now is the chance. 27th of November, so this Thursday, until the 30th of November, until this Sunday. All Learn Irish Online courses at learnirishonline.com are 50% off, and you can email us to organise Christmas Day delivery at no extra cost. Anyway, back to the show. Ceann eile I Mailbag Liam Malachi. Hi Liam, is Mission Malachi ó Gnáthleagan I Mailbag Liam from Gnáthleagan. Tá mé géisteach le fud creileadh gach seachtain le gá bhí anús. Ribh seo bhí mé géisteach le a lán podchrailtaí Polachula. I decided to take a break from politics and try to learn Irish. I searched around and was impressed with your method. I lead a very busy life at the moment and enjoy the fact learning Irish and listening to it gives me a break from normal goings on. I need to stop now, but I'll send on more info and feedback at some point. Lamas, Malachi, mille buchas, as sin agus as an am a hógáil, hon rudégan a chiola is shock. And yeah, like yourself, I sometimes get bogged down with the political stuff. It's so heavy, especially last year or two. I think gohoria le blino go anús over the last. I'm not going to get into this. But you think it's just been the last year or two. It's been particularly heavy. Ribh sin bhí Trump agus bhí Brexit agus ribh sin bhí an recession and coolú economic the economic crisis agus I know it's like that song We Didn't Start the Fire. Le Billy Joel ach sin lá haid scéal eile agus podchraile eile ach go hinnta go bhfuil tú beidir ag tógáil sos great that you're kind of taking a break Malachi ó sin dumsa haon tá mise ag déanúireacht an rud céanna dhéanamh agus mátá tú an níos mó chathú ag éisteacht le fudcraile a charéin leat, something that helps you, something that you enjoy rud éigean a bhaineann tú taitneamh agus gúil tú an do chuid Gaeilge éire níos fearr ag an am céanna sin gcomhpháirtíocht, so mille buchas a sin Malachi fair play de agus gurmad as scríomh isteach. Padar as Kildara. Hi Liam, first of all, thank you for your podcast. Some people sent you in English, some people sent you in Irish, so I'll just read them as they came out. First of all, thank you for your podcast. I listen to it religiously every week, and I find it's helped me immensely with my Irish. I find myself thinking more and more about Irish and even thinking in the language sometimes. I found your podcast around a year ago after reading an Irish history book and deciding that Gaeilge should be a bigger part of my life. I think a lot of people, just to interrupt, Peadar, ceapan goil an rud céin ag lán daoine. They've kind of one realisation, especially when maybe studying history or in terms of the way they think about it, or maybe going abroad, agus, ag fécinn sear conas atá teangacha in áitna dhiafriúla agus an ceangal siidir teangacha agus an star agus the híorthain and your own country agus dearn si dó, ba cheart go méid an teanga seo agam, nó ba ceart go méid mé ag obair níos mó an teanga seo. So, ceapan goil an rud céin ag lán daoine agus orintha ní bhíon man ag labhairt faoi sin. Sometimes we don't talk about that too much. But I'm still nowhere near where I'd like to be, but definitely have found myself getting a lot better. The last month or so I've started listening to just the Irish version. Great stuff. So might not be listening to this at all, Peadar, but anyway, I'll read out all the emails on every version. I'm picking up an awful lot of it. Then going back to the BHFAD Níos Simplí version and getting the actual translation. I live in Kildare but commute all over the country and listen when I'm in the car every week. Your podcast and Duolingo are the only things I use for my Irish, and I really feel like I'm slowly getting better. I train martial arts, jiu-jitsu, 5 nights a week. So does my brother. He's a brown belt. Tá an rud céin ag madzarthór bín sesin ag déanú jiu-jitsu. Tá the ceapan goil Chris Dunn ag I think the one before black belt. An ceann riv Chris Dove Arenos. And I'm also doing some college stuff, but when things calm down, I'll definitely be investigating some more of your Learn Irish Online content. Thanks so much for all your hard work, and note that it does make a difference. Gur míle mád, Peadar, gur míle mád féin, agus, just cool hunna scéalta a chlustal, to think about where you might be listening in the car and on your way to jiu-jitsu or whatever it might be. Commuting all over the country, you say there. So coming to a éisteacht beidir moille, seachtain amháin, gon in Gaeilge seachtain eile, Bortlarga seachtain eile, Kildare seachtain eile, agus gur míle mágat as beagadín jet the scéal a rinslum, agus gur míle mágat as Villarasher and Gaeilge. Thank you for going back to the Irish and returning to the Irish and making a real good effort with a Peadar. And really glad you're enjoying the podcast. An chéad ceann eile, Donna, ó ceapan goil an ceann seo ó chun é Forthlárga freisin. Déaghaid Liam, nóta beag le labhairt faoin muid taitneamh ó bhfuil mé ag buint as de chósa Learn Irish Online agus as de fudcréile. Is mór an nóire dumsa bhfuil mé beag nach 5 bliana díos agus tá level Gaeilge anna lag. Well, níl mé cinse faoi sin, donna mar atá riomhfostíntach scríofa agat an seo. You've written a brilliant email here, so I'm not too sure about that. Acharénos, tá ag fiabhasú an scéalde rare chéile, fair play it, 3 éisteacht le the fudcréile agus 3 the chósa a dhéanamh. I bríam mar hicatherapor as a psychotherapist, a draw war chun le Forthlárga, I think Tremor's translation, which I actually think is where the plane accident was last week. Ceapan grow on tubaiste on scene on Sacht and Scotcha, so hope all is okay there, Donna. Agus tá ag buint an a taitneamh as the chuid smuinsi falsúnachtas, your kind of philosophical thoughts na fudcréiltí is Janie, which is something I have been doing more of on the podcast, Rudigan. Bhfuil méid Janie beagnaí níos móide an fudcréile le Janie. Brína batha, the kind of meaning of life, or kind of the meaning of our existence. Shine cheistena ashacha existential questions, agus rudí ó bhfuilú, and just slow things down le Janie an fudcréile recently on the podcast. Gur mád le Liam Ballyéirí an obair is Michel Mas Donna ó chun é Forthlárga. Donna gur míle mágad féin agus a rís go bhfuil tú tar éis beagnaíonn se de scéal a rinslam agus nábíh nóir ort le a hell. Tá Gaeilge de cad san email seo sa riomhos seo agus mar Germagónaí is cuma mátá level on a lag ad no level on a larger ad. Doesn't matter whether you're a very kind of weak level or very strong level. The main thing is that you're giving it a go and trying to get better all the time. And rud is tábhachtí ná gohfuil tú ag déanú iireacht chun éirí níos fearr agus gohfuil tú ag déanú iireacht chun fiabhas a chur an Cuid Gaeilge atá agat agus keep moving forward mar a dearfá. cean eile ó bhaile clia aine I maiile clia. Hi Liam, tá nóir nach bhfuil Gaeilge a leabhar tugam. No need for the noira, guys. No need for the embarrassment. But I understand that some people have that, and that's fine. It's one of the big things with the Irish language. Ceann ruddy ismo modra leis on the while ago. But don't worry. As I said, the main thing is just keep on improving and enjoy it. An rud is tábhairtí ná taitneamh a bhainteas agus cuinneart ag éirí níos fearr. Agus mar sinne, thosaigh mé ag fólam le gábh lín ceapan gcomhpháirtíocht go le ó hin. Is éireannach mé, rugú agus tógu maiile clia mé, sílam gúil sin níos éasca an Gaeilge ólam inniu mar a bhíoch. Sílam go himríonn technoliacht nua aimsithe ról mór I thuras chun an Gaeilge ólam. So I'm speaking a little bit about how it is easier nowadays due to the technology, due to the internet, due to I suppose stuff, for example, like this podcast and LearnIrishonline. There's more resources out there and easier to do rather than always having to do it through a textbook or a course or outdated methods. Ag déanamh rudaí le teagslabhar nó le cuasa nó orintha le acmhainní sean aimsithe. Well, astáta that might be outdated and so on. Bhí siad zachar teagháil le daoine a dhéanamh roimhe seo scéal anna difriúla bhíann. Ach tá gúil an tidirlín folklore.ie apnagsúla LearnIrishonline agus ma phone póca agamanis. Sinead rinch cúisina a bhfuil méid fólam a Gaeilge arís. These are kind of several of the reasons that I'm relearning Irish. Níl leabhar mór I mo bhálar. Nílach ma phone póca, I only have my phone. Tá sé an áisiúil agus tá sé bhd níos éasca margheall na gléasanna nua aimsithe anis. Is maithlam de fudcréile mar le raon tú níos muile anna dearfach agus le fuinneamh níos fearr asad ná fudcréiltí eile. Tá buíoch as daoine sú leatsa ag imirt ról tábhachtach in abheocán Déanga. Tá mise buíoch as a thaon an gur míleád as sin gur míleágad as an riomhfost agus tá súil agam go leanfaí tú ará ag buint taitneamh as Gaeilge Weekly, buint taitneamh as gachar der LearnIrishonline agus so cruththirí eile and from different creators as well. And yeah, you're 100% right. Tá ceartad céad fan géad an sin Modra leis an Gaeilge. Jerm Hain I gcónaí, I would say myself, it's the easiest ever time to learn Irish. Tá sé bhd níos éasca níos ná aon or nó aon tám roimhe seo chun an Gaeilge ólam. That's not to say ní hé sin le rá go bhfuil sé éasca ach tá sé bhd níos éasca ná roimhe. Owen from Tyrone. Or Tyrone, I never know. I think the people up there call it Tyrone, don't they? You might let me know, Owen. And what a great name as well. Owen, of course, as well. So Owen from Owen. Is mis Owen as chun na hAon. Tá mé géisteach le LearnIrishonline le beagnach gábh lín anús. Bhí méid déanamh chun an Gaeilge ólam agus bhí mé bís nar tháinig mé LearnIrishonline mar sprálam podcréiltí agus aibríonn siad go maithlam agus mis ag ri. Ag siúil leis an madra nó ag obair faoin spéir. Thosaigh mé leis an agran ní simplí agus éisteacht. Éisteacht is one of the shows we do over on Patreon on the membership. Anis tá mé géisteach leis an agran níos líofa chomh le golóir podcréiltí eile as Gaeilge. That should make Gina Stocchain in you. Hope the trip went well. Owen saying there that you were off to the US the day you wrote this email. Agus near Arach me ach chlór Gaeilge Erinetchels. I only watched or listened to Irish kind of programs or stuff on the plane. Fair play that. That is not a short flight. At least 6 or 7 hours. Lied she no shocked or chlig. So again, lovely to hear the kind of real life experiences in took on. Na hespris is tóchas a fíorhéal atá ag daoine madra leis an budcréile agus ceannáit nó caitheann a bhíonn siad ag éisteacht leis an seo. Gur míle mágad as an ábhar agus an content go léir Owen óran sin iad gur fad chun é sin chlostal fair play that gur míle mágad agus as a bheith cove loyal is stoka cove geelish and for listening every week. It really is appreciated to my fear vuyakas and hope the trip went well in the US and that you'll continue to enjoy Gaeilge Weekly over the next 3 years. Gomai to an on Lanartrai bunch of us Gaeilge Weekly. It's na chéad cúpla bliain atá rowan. We're not stopping anytime soon. Ní bhaim sic stopu ein or glua. So, Next email an chéad fostella tagan sé ó hAon I Dibridge Oran. So from Sean in Tipperary. Go Jane crack a liam and me and Sean often chat over on Patreon as he's a member over there being Mishag Sean ag labhairt go minic Patreon mar tá session in a wall hall an sin. Go Jane crack a liam bhí mé géisteach le Gaeilge Weekly dearcanis agus dúirt mé go siolchan teachtracht is teach chuigad go míle buchas. Sean agus míle buchas as the chuid takeíochta mar is gnách. Big thank you for your support as always. Rinne mé iirecht an rifust a scríb gan folklore. Love us Sean. Fair play gut. Changlin is a rilla a úsáid so tom cínse go mai boltún an sin cearcolóir. Sean agus ní rá mór an boltún an churbe. It's even Gaeilge Weekly agus the chórsaí an ballreacht and your courses on the membership. Bhí siad anna charachtomsa le cúpla mí anús glach mé ballreacht Patreon. So I kind of took up a membership on Patreon. Beidir seachtain nó ró ina dhé Gaeilge Weekly a chlustal don chéad or. Is as Kildare mé, so another person from Kildare. Achanis tá mé machóní I Dibridge Oran. Bhí sim agam I gcónaí leis an teanga. I was always interested in language agus gachrod of winning leihi ach thosaí mé ag fólam ag gceart gábh líon ó hin nuair thosaí mo bhac sa Ghaelscoil áitiúil. This is a common thing that comes up siúrad an choitianta a hagan a níos. Sna rifust echa mo ghuioine de friúla bín daoine gra tá méid smaoine faoi chóirsa beidir a dhéanamh ar the sívid lín cén fá mar tá mo bhac nó tá maoín taréis school a hosú in Gaelscoil because my child has just started in a Gaelscoil. That's a big reason why a lot of people in their 30s, 40s fall on a war daoine in a truckagy agus carcagy in Éireann bíonn siad ag ólam na Gaeilge that they relearn Irish. Colin sin seo a bheith in an chuineal sús leis agus caint le na múnteirí agus an scoil in Gaeilge. Ba bíon lom Gaeilge a ólam I gcónaí so cheap méid tá sé sin maieis, tá sé seo maieis. Is cínse go bhfuil méid fiabhsú ach tá bóthar fada amach romsa agus míle buchas as ma cheistena a lig a ragart. Sean does be sending a few questions from time to time on Patreon agus tá mé lán sásta chun Carolot agus ein cheistena a ragart atá agat madra leis an Gaeilge Sean or anyone else who's a Patreon member for that matter in den eile ag éisteacht a bhíon in a wall I Patreon. Le gach Sean míle buchas as a bheith I the wall Patreon míle buchas as a bheith Carolyn an sin because that means I can still do Gaeilge Weekly for free and put it out. Mar sin tá mé an Gaeilge Weekly a dhéanamh siar an éasca agus é churmach agus shricúir níos mó daoine chimplan down to kind of get to or reach more people across the world and help more people to learn Irish in a simpler and easier way. Chun Carol níos mó daoine an Gaeilge ólam I mbealach níos éasca agus níos simplí. Margaret, very special one here. Margaret Astrahidaha. So from Droghedis, Misha ban score, Eipeasóid speisialta. So I'm a retired woman, Eipeasóid speisialta in brackets, Idrelúbani, so stocha gorau, Margaret Shagubber, mar Eipeasóid speisialta, na blintó hin. Tommy shocked Melina is octo dish, so I'm 87 years old. Eintig fad, Margaret, fair play the shagus gorgeous, just sin, Rivain Rodella, ag éisle seo. Agus ceapan méid go mór an trua nach dhéanamid níos mó iirecht a chomád sús. Tá anna agla rih botún a dhéanamh lumsa fós, chairí Google Translate lum leis up sin cearclór. Margaret ná bí bortha faoi sin, tá tú ag déanamh iirecht iontach, you're making a great effort. Is astrahidatha atá mé, or is astrahidatha mé. Gur míle mágat le learn Irish online, ní léon agla ormsa ag fólam latsa agus is maith le mé. Margaret, míle buchas lat. Níl mé géirí bheith condescending or patronizing in patronizing anyway, patronizing. Tá méid swinmh an numcha faoi Patreon inis. But I don't want to be patronizing, condescending, ach just tá sé cool fós le 87 mlína gúil tú fósa go lurg education níos mó. Gúil tú fósa go lurg níos mólis that you're still seeking out more education, that you're still seeking out more info and that you're still looking to improve and enjoy stuff like the Irish language. Gúil tú a géirí Ireníos fargus tatan of a winch agus tarva of winch as an Gaeilge agus tá sé sin cíntagar fad, and it's a big inspiration for me. And again, I hope when I'm 87, if I make it, má tá mise 87 lá a bháin, má tá mé an that I'll be able to do things like that and I'll have that kind of fire in me or that eagerness go on fun sin orm had leanúint rá gairí níos fearr agus fósta go leor educais agus still kind of looking for education and different things and trying to improve agus ag genuireacht feabhasú and fair play to you. I know it's not easy as well sometimes with the technology or into níhíonn éasca leis an technoliacht or whatever, this website and this Spotify and signing up for this thing. So fair play that agus gur míle mágad as a bheith éisteacht agus freisin as an ríomhos sin a cheola isteach. Don't have too many more. I know this is a long podcast. Níl mór an cín eile tá sagam ghfuil an podcréile seo soch fada, but we only have 3 left. Okay, so we've got April, Jason, and we've got Richard. So April dús. Is mis April tom I chonaí I maiile clia tá burt páist agam agus baldam cabhar a chóirtló lena Cuid Gaeilge. Mar sin éistem le de fudcréile gach seachtain chun feabhas a chur mo Gaeilge hain gur míle mad. April gur míle mad féin éisteacht I maiile clia. Jin daoine dearmadidir seo, people forget this, but there's more Irish speakers in Dublin tá ní smó Gaeilgeoirí lá clia ná in aon áiteile timpeall an down. Okay, it's obviously the biggest place in Ireland, so it's not a surprise. Tá sin mar an áit is mó in Éireannach tá bhád níos mó ag Gaeilgeoirí I maiile clia ná mar tá in Ghuidóir mar hampla. There's a lot more Irish speakers in Dublin than in Ghuidóir or Carrow or Corchavibna or any of the kind of big Gaeltacht towns. So that's one of the reasons why there's so many listeners, I guess, over in Dublin. April gur míle mágad as sin, gur míle mágad as an íocht a dhéanamh chun carú le de fáistí chun an grá sin mar a Louis Madriva, as we mentioned before, ar chóirt dó ó thaobh na Gaeilge agus tá súil agam go leanthí tú rá ag buint taitneamh as an budcréile. Gotta keep, I think, one of my favorite messages or emails here to last, but I also love this one by Jason. It's even an ceann seo ó Jason. Jigwich Lane, it's Misha Jason agus is as chundaí limní me. I studied myself for rinne me hain stadger in Ulscoil limní. Jason, rinne me came an Iarashocht agus an mian nua journalism and new media. He's an sin cúpla bliain ó hin. Is Misha Jason, tá méid thosaitheoirí, agus is as chundaí limní me. Rinne me stadger an Gaeilge sa scoil. Cosú le lá an daoine ach stop me á labhairt nar dag me an scoil. Le Janie, chríochnaí mé PhD in mathematics agus tá níos mó am siar agam. Chric mé an chinne an Gaeilge ólam ríis, déich mé ar hAon ar TikTok agus bhfuil mé le Learn Irish Online. Chríochnaí mé the 7-week level up course agus creidim go raibh mo chuid Gaeilge níos breise ná ribh an chóirsa. Míle buíochs leis sin. I'm sin Changlin agus gramador an tábhaach agus dóla mé fuú wetse. Tá sóí mé dúchlan in Néaran na sauna at the end of November chun leabhar Gaeilge a léamh le Listen Up Irish an bhblionn se thug an bálam feabhas a chur me skillan a béile in Gaeilge cínse go mbeidh tú an ann. Jason agus tá súil agam gur charraí an 7-week level up course leat maidir le Choctar cúpla ballach to kind of come across a few ways you can speak more Irish in your life, even if you don't have that many Gaeilgeoirí around you. Few mana will more in Gaeilgeoirí timpeall earth. Daim si mé go raibh sé tábhaach marchanna agat a bheith agat an bhí tú ag fólamtanga le cúna dé ba me ábalta feabhas a chur mo chuid Gaeilge I gábhíls bheith sé agus gur mágad a rís maidir leis an carú. Le Joghui Jason míle buchas as sin a rinsló míle buchas as beganí coolra a hort dom freshen for giving me a bit of background as well, because you know on my end again being out here in Spain I'll just get an email saying this person has got this course and often never hear from them again. Cominic Tarlene sé I'm riomhfos agus Jaron sé tá course seo fáite ag an duine seo agus ní chlosin mé ein rud wehu a rís. So ionintach chun beganín sin chúlra a chlostal agus beganín sin chóhigs a chlostal comma. An ceann dearnach in míle buchas Jason as sin an bhuiich as an riomhfost a léamh an tachtain sicáte agus é léamhach anis an budcréile. Richard mBéarla as chundaí na mí a liam a chara. Is mis Richard former as chundaí na mí. So a farmer from County Meath. Tá mé blian amháin is lachéadanis, so 51, nuair a dog mé an meánscoil, nuair smuoine mé riomh an danga a rís. I gceann cúpla mí ba mé ras ag fólam an Gaeilge le gábhlín inús. Tá Birch J. agam, agus hosi meg fólam hun cara a hort. See, mentioned it earlier, this is a big reason why people learn. So, cúis war a bhín dínig fólam. Hun cara a hortstov, a chanis tá meg cinál gafa leis an Gaeilge. Kind of obsessed with the English. I love that it was for them at first, but now it's more so for you. Tá sé níos mó ditse, Richard. Dús, hosi méile de cheachtainna a bhí siar an éasca a chanis is ball mé ar Patreon. Com mat le sin bí mé éisteacht le radio na Ghaeilgeachta nó podchrailtí as Gaeilge I gcónaí. Ní bhín rud ar bheith mBéarla ar an radio. Is evilam. Tá tú mar addict inis tá andúil agat. Richard, you have an addiction now. Agus is an andúil is fearr. Gur féidir leat a bheith agad. Cén áit a bhíon mé éisteacht tá sé granmhar. Mar dúirtú, is even me seo. Dúirtú, is cuma má tá tú an áit le dránach gan éireann, nó hús na Himalayas. Tá mé géirí de scéal a chostáil is dócha. Sin cad a dúirt mé ar an agrán dearnach gin fudcréile. Dearan sé? Nuair thula mé sin, Bhí mise hús the Himalayas. Bhí an tá dearg so when I heard that I myself was up in the Himalayas, I was very lucky bhí an tá dearg mar bhí méid déanamh thuras mór ar glúisrothir I Nepal on a motorbike in Nepal. Ach tá mé rais in éireann anis anmha agus anúcranmhar. What are the chances? Cadí na seansna je sin ristard conas a bhí mé géisteach je gná nuair tá méid tamáins an tarachóir nó sa chlústan nó ar siúlóid le mar chlúsan bí mé géisteach le rud ag an as Gaeilge agus is éistearíis an rud is fearlam le gach más ristard míle buchas as an riomh fos sin agus cómhcúh agus có spragal chun é sin a chostal. Sin é, chreithníon mud le riomhfos ristard le hain tachtan seo agus agran anhadinne níos mó nach charach an nóid, so fair play if you listen to all this, fair play that smatán rud omlán cloiste agat agus ríis mas rud é gur cheol tú rud aigen ó éireann agus rid mé dearmid é a léomh amach le a hell chur riomhfos eile chuigam agus léichi mé amach é an tachtan seo thugan ach tá mé just blown away agus ní féidir le mé chreidjins really an méid riomhfost an méid teachtarachtaí a formid ó dhaoine difriúla agus ríis tá is agam ghfuil sé ráite na mílte ór hana féin sa fudcréile seo. I know I've already said it about 1,000 times in this podcast, but just a big thank you míle buchas as gach dana. A cheol rud ag an seach freisin mas rud nach rá seans agat nó nach rá an tám agat rud ag an ó bhí tú ag géirí agus rinn tú dearmid is cuma míle buchas as a bheith ag éisteacht agus ag taú le leanúint agus le Gaeilge Weekly. So that is it for this week, guys. Sinné le haon tachtan seo. Don't forget about the Black Friday sale. If you are thinking of getting a course, má tá smuoineh faoi cuasa all cosú le cúpla duine a cheol riomhfos isteach an sin, so similar to the ones that were mentioned there by a few people who sent in emails. Black Friday sale Thursday 27th until Sunday the 30th, all LIO courses 50% off. So lafrice gach cuasa LIO learnirishonline.com. I'm Jarash an tachtan shugan leis an Mailbag Edición Internacional, the international edition agus na chin hánagus teach ó timplan down míle buchas le me live an sin. Slán agus banach.